Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome once again. Today we're going to be learning how to make a very simple yet elegant hairstyle. So the first thing you want to do is section your hair into, separating the left side from the right side. So you want to make sure that the line is as fine as possible. You can use a mirror or whatever works best for you. So we're working with the right side first. You want to also section this side into 5, starting from the front down to the back. So you want to section it into smaller parts while you tie it up with a tiny rubber band, and if you like, you could apply gel, which I will be doing here. So stay tuned and enjoy. So you also need to make sure that you brush your hair as you go, starting from the tip of your hair down to the root. So this is the tiny rubber band I was referring to. You want to use that to pack the hair and make sure it's firm as possible. So we'll just be twisting it and setting that aside so it doesn't get mixed up with the other parts of the sections. So you want to brush, comb as you go. So yes, packing it with the tiny rubber band like I said. I will also be applying gel, so don't worry if you don't see me doing that here now. I'll be doing that later, which you will be seeing. So you just want to pull the hair and pull it tight so that the hair looks more firmer and smoother. And yes, you can twist and put it in a bantu knot so it doesn't get mixed up with the other sections. So here I'm applying the regular black hair gel to the hair to make it more smoother and comes out more fine. Then tie with your rubber band and then put it in a bantu knot. So this is one side done. As you can see, it looks nice. So you want to repeat that on the other side of your hair. So you want to remember to keep applying the hair gel as you go, and if you feel the rubber band is probably going to snap in between, you can double it up and then tie up the hair. So it gets easier when you've sectioned one side. All you'll do is just follow that same line from one side down to the other side, and don't forget to apply your hair gel as you go. Brush through your hair and then pack it with your tiny rubber band and place it in a bantu knot for your sections to be easier to work with. So now the sectioning is done, and like I said, 5 on the right hand side and 5 on the left hand side, just like that. So you want to unravel them. You can unravel it one by one, and then you want to start to properly twist it. So if one of the sections is quite large and then you're finding it difficult to twist, you can separate it in 2 and twist it just like that. Like, I mean, you can twist 2 in 1 if you understand what I mean. So the back part of my hair was looking a bit chunky, so I had to separate and twist that in two different parts. So this is how you want to wrap them together to get that fine chunkiness. So all you want to do is just to pick up one twist, wrap with the next, pick up the other, and keep wrapping with the next till you get to the very end of the hair. So after you're done, you want to tie both sides together. That's the left hand side and the right hand side, using a regular rubber band, just like so. Then you want to roll it up in just like this, and there we go. So now for extension, so this is kinky extension. Please, you want to use 4 bundles. I added up, later added 2 more, and then you want to form a knot like with a bigger rubber band, then pass it through the hair like so. Then you want to start to wrap it in just like I explained the first time, just like this, in and out till you get to the very extreme end. And if you feel it's not firm enough, you can use some bobby pins to pin them in place. And here we have it, the very beautiful and elegant hairstyle. So if you have some accessories, you can also put that on your hair to make it look more and more beautiful. And yes, for the front part of the hair, I'm going to be mixing the regular black hair gel with my regular edge control so it doesn't leave any residue, and then use a toothbrush to style my edges, even though I didn't do it so properly, but I did something there. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, like, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.